Okay, so we live here on planet Earth, and as we all know, it is mostly covered on its surface with water. Now, when I was little, I always wondered why something large and massive, such as a ship or an ocean liner, would float in water while something small and comparatively light, like a penny, would sink. Now, this is because of buoyancy, or the buoyant force. And buoyancy works like this. Okay, so imagine that you have an object submerged in any type of fluid, such as water, and gravity is acting on this object because of the object's mass, and so the pressure of the fluid will be acting a force upwards on the object due to what is called the buoyant force. Now, if the object's density is less than the amount of fluid is displaced, then it should be able to float on the surface of this fluid. So, to put it simply, an ocean liner is less dense than a penny, so it floats in water rather than a penny would. Factors that help this is because inside of a ship or an ocean liner, it has compartments inside filled with air, and so do we. So that is how both we and an ocean liner can float, while a dense penny just made out of a single piece of metal will sink to the bottom of the pool or ocean. However, if you were to place a penny in a much denser fluid such as mercury, then the buoyant force acting upon it then would allow the penny to float as well. Another factor contributing to buoyancy is surface area. Now, a ship covers a much larger surface of the ocean than a penny does, and because of that, more buoyant force can act upon the bottom of the ship. Now, this works with us humans too, since the bottom of our feet do not cover as much area as our backs. It is much better for us to float when we lie on our backs. This concludes our lesson about buoyancy. I hope it's been as entertaining as it has been informative. Safe sailing, everybody.